in-flight explosion that would suggest a possibility of maybe a fire. There are a number of things. U.S. federal safety investigators will help search for the cause. You're listening to ABC News.
Ceilings up. Kitchen's done.
I'm Sean Gallagher. A man in West Columbus was arrested Saturday and is facing domestic violence charges after police say he assaulted his wife and then held an armed standoff with SWAT units at his home. ABC 6's Jeff Reddick was on the scene with a witness's account. Jordan Smith was inside just moments before as a cable and internet salesman. He said, "Hey, come on in. I just got a brand new TV." Jordan says the man at 792 Kingsford Road was drunk, angry, and yelling at his wife.
Still has some work to do to
He
it.
wasn't being physical, he was just kind of cussing at her.
Bathroom.
So Jordan made the sale and left. Minutes later, I got 10 houses down, and that's when all the excitement started happening. Police, sheriffs,
Just cleaned the shower.
out there in a matter of minutes. Columbus police say the wife in the house was assaulted. She later escaped.
Looking better.
It was about an hour of negotiations going nowhere, and then
Old mildew wood cleaned out of the overhead cam. My junk closet.
The call from Fox Sports Ohio as the Blue Jackets, for the first time since
Carpet
February
needs
17,
replaced.
2017, beat the Penguins 4-1 last night at Nationwide Arena. Atkinson was scored twice in the win. They have another big divisional matchup coming up Monday night on the road against the Islanders.
$59,999.
The Ohio State men's basketball team will wrap up their regular season schedule this
Runs all
afternoon
gas and propane.
at the Arena as they welcome in the 21st ranked Wisconsin Badgers. Tip-off is scheduled for 4:30. The Big Ten tournament begins in Chicago Wednesday. Your ABC 6 first warning weather forecast for today, mostly cloudy and breezy, with a high of 47 for tonight.
Needs a good clean.
As the low will drop down to
Put new
29.
carpet down.
And for Monday, mostly sunny, as temperatures will be in the upper 40s.
Cushions aren't in
I'm
yet.
Sean Gallagher. More news at the bottom of the hour.
Looking good.
On demand at 6